Okay, everybody, yet another day with elimination. Okay, so take out the worksheet for today. And again, we're going to do some of them together. Okay, so this looks a little weird, only because we have three terms in front of the equal sign. So do the X's line up? Do the Y's line up? Do the equal signs and the constants line up? Sure, as long as everything is lined up and they're not mishmashed, let's just do it. Now, can I just add down? No, but remember, look at your Y's. They're both plus Y's. Do you remember what we do when we multiply through by -1? All it does is change the signs. So you can change the signs of all the terms as long as you do it for all the terms. Now, I know it feels weird with that 0 because it's not really a -0. But I just do it just to make sure I know that I'm changing that to -2, a -y, a +3, and just a reminder. Okay, so now when I add down, I have a 1x plus, remember we're adding, a -2x gives me a -1x. Do you see the y's cancel? Now I have a -4y, or not a 4y, -4 plus 3. That gives me a -1, and it still equals 0. Okay, but it's not bad. So now add 1. Not bad. -1x equals 1. Divide by -1, and you get x equals -1. Okay, now, again, we are substituting back into the top. So this one is just x, which is -1, plus y minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so I'm going to combine my like terms. So I have a -5 plus y equals 0. Adding 5, y equals 5. So I know it looked weird at first. Oh, just a 5. But it's not bad at all. Okay, take that in for a minute. Okay, now this one, oh, there's nothing, but everything is lined up, but there's not just a quick sign or anything. So you know what happens. I have to take the number on below up here and the number above down there. And I have to distribute 3 times and 3 times. I know it's unfortunate, but that's okay. Little extra work. So the top line gives me 12 x's plus 12 y's equals. Now, if you're unsure what 4 times 18 is, you take out your calculator and you get 72. Now the bottom one, -12x, positive 12y, and -8 times 3 is -24. Add down, and you will see your y's, x's cancel, and 12 plus 12 is 24, and 72 plus a -24 is 48. Oh, that is awfully nice. Again, so y this time equals 2. Okay, now remember that's y, and I go back to my original equation, 3x plus 3 times y, which is 2, is 18. And now you guys are getting really good at watching me solve equations. Hopefully I don't make any mistakes. And I get x equaling 4. Oops, that's a 4. Okay? Ordered pair x, comma, y. Those are kind of the longest ones you're going to have to do. Sorry. Okay, same thing here. Nothing nice, nothing nice. Okay? So that means whatever number I have on the bottom, since it's one positive and one negative, I need on the top, and the number on the top goes to the bottom. And then I'm going to distribute it to all the terms. So 15 times 2x is 30x. 15 times 4 is 60y's. And 15 times 24 is 360. That's why I tell you to have a calculator. Now we have a negative 30x. 2 times 10 is 20, and that's a negative 40. Add down, and you will see you have 80y's equals 320. Okay, now I'm going to divide by 80. In my calculator, 320 divided by 80 is, in fact, 4 for y. And then I do my usual 2x plus 4 times y equals 24. And just make sure it's all good and nice. Be careful. See, even I'm showing all of my work. And ironically, I have another 4. Now, don't forget your x goes first, your y goes second, even though it really doesn't matter on this one. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, now this one, ooh, again, we have 3 terms. They're all lined up, equaling 0. So as long as they're all lined up, just look. Is there something I can cancel out? No. Can I multiply through by -1? No. But do you see what happens if I multiply through that line by a positive 4? If you don't, look. 4 times 2x is 8x. Plus 4 times y is 4y. Look. See? That's y. That's the y. Remember when I said when you have just an x or just a y, that's easy to change. Okay, I have to keep multiplying through. 1 times 4 equals 4 times 0 is 0. Now we have 3x minus 4y minus 15 equals 0. Again, everything's lined up. Okay, so we have 8 plus 3 is 11. Remember, the y's cancel. 4 plus a negative 15 is negative 11. And 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, the only weird thing here is now I have to add 11. So I have 11x equals 11. So obviously, x is 1. Now again, take that and substitute it in. 2 times 1 plus y plus 1 equals 0. So that's just a 2. Now, what is 2 plus 1? That is 3. And then we don't divide this time because they're not attached by multiplication. Y is negative 3. Okay, so x is 1, y is negative 3. Okay, hopefully you're getting pretty darn good at this. If you are struggling, it is imperative you reach out for help, okay? Okay, so finish the worksheet, check the key in Schoology. It's by number, kind of, and then take the formative, okay? Okay, have a great day, and let me know if you need help, please.